Question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse, that is herbarium, is made entirely of glass pans including base. Held together with tape, it is 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm height. What is the area of glass and how much tape is needed for 12 edges? So they have to given it is a herbarium, greenhouse herbarium. We have 3 dimension. So 3 dimension in the sense we know that herbarium is in the shape of cuboid. So we have to find out how much area, that is total glasses we need. So we need how much area it's covered and we need to find out how much tapes needed. So 12 edges. So we have to add all the edges, you get the tape value and you need to find out the total surface area of the cuboid. You got area of the glass. Now we move on to the solution. In a solution, the given that value already we discussed. So length which is equal to 30 cm, breadth which is equal to 25 cm, height equal to 25 cm. Here breadth and height both are equal but length is different. So that's why I say it as this is cuboidal. So area of a glass. So that cuboidal box can be covered with the glass with including base also. So we have to take 6 face. So total surface area of herbarium. So herbarium in the sense it's a cuboidal structure. So 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. So units is very important. So now what we have to do? I need to substitute directly what the value of length, breadth and height. So 30 into 25 plus breadth and height both are same. So 25 into 25 plus height 25 into 30. So now you have to multiple what are the values is there. So 2 into 30 into 25 how much? It should be 750. So 750. So 3 into 25 75. 1 0 you add it 750 centimeter square. 25 into 25 625 centimeter square. Again you know that the value 750 centimeter square. So just you have to add the value this 3 750 plus 750. What do you get? It should be 1500 centimeter square. Remaining 625 I just write it as it is same. Now you add 1500. So what you get? It should be 2125. So one step I have to 2125 centimeter square. Just you have to multiple with the 2. It can be doubled. 2 5s are 10. 0 carry over 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So what's the area? It should be 4250 centimeter square. So total area of a glass. So we need to find out glass only. So it is in a cuboidal shape. So total area of glass equal to 4250 centimeter square. What we have to find out next? We need to find out the length of the tape up to 12 edges. Tape needed for 12 edges. So first you have to draw what are the edges is there. So 12 edges you know. What are the edges? We need to find out. A cuboid has 12 edges. What are the 12 edges? Anybody? You know the dimension, length, breadth, height. But 12 edges, what are they? So I just draw one cuboid shape. So here this is one length and length. So 4 length is there. So it can be written as 4L. You have to add all the edges, you get the total measurement of the tape. So breadth, this one is also breadth and breadth. How many breadth? 4 breadth. As well as how many height is there? 4. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. 4 height is there. 4h. Here commonly we have 4. So 4 into L plus B plus H. Length of tape used 12 edges, which is equal to 4 into L plus B plus H. So 4 into 30 plus 25 plus 25. So 4 into 80. So now 8 4 is 32, 320 centimeter. So now how much is the length? It should be 320 centimeter. Therefore, tape needed for 12 edges, which is equal to 320 centimeter. So next we move on to question number 7. Shanti's sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of box were required, bigger of dimension 25 cm, 20 cm, 5 cm and the smaller dimension 15 cm, 12 cm, 5 cm. For all the overlap, 5% of total surface area is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes. So here two type of boxes is there. One is bigger, one is smaller. So after finding the total surface area of these two, we need to take add again 5% for overlapping. So this is we have to find out one total surface area and multiply with 250. You get total surface area of your 250 boxes, and you need to multiply with 4 and divide by 1000. You got your rupees 1000 centimeters. Now we move on to the solution. So bigger sweet box and then smaller sweet box. Bigger sweet box, what are the length? Length which is equal to 25 centimeter and smaller length which is equal to 15 centimeter. Bigger sweet box, breadth which is equal to 20, breadth equal to 12, height equal to 5 centimeter and height equal to 5 centimeter. So now we have to find out how much area it can be covered with the overlapping, and we need to find total how much cardboard we have to use. So overlapping, we need to take extra 5% from total surface area of this two boxes, two type of boxes, extra 5%. So cost of cardboard 1000 centimeter square, which is equal to rupees 4. So per centimeter square, not per 1000 centimeter square, equal to rupees 4. So we need to find cardboard required for 250 boxes for each type. Each type means bigger and smaller. Bigger and smaller we need to find. So each type. So bigger sweet box and smaller sweet box. So how we have to find? So we need to find cardboard required for one box for each type, which is equal to what we have to take total surface area of a big sweet box plus total surface area of a small box. Small box and we need to add the 5% extra. We need to find out 5% extra. So we have to add this two and we need to add extra 5% of total surface area of each type, both type. So now we have to find out separately What is the total surface area of a big sweet box and a small sweet box separately? First we had to take total surface area of big box, big sweet box. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. I have to take a capital letters for bigger one. Square units. So I have to take a capital letter for a bigger one. So I just substitute the value. 2 into, what is the length and breadth? It should be 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25. So just you multiple, you get 500 plus 100 plus it should be 125. So now you have to add this all values. Now you have to add this all values. 500 plus 600, 725. Centimeter square. So now you multiply it. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 1450 centimeters square. So now we got the total surface area of a big sweet box is 1450 centimeters square. Now we have to find out total surface area of a small sweet box. Small sweet box. How we have to find? So it should be 2 into same. I have to mention small letter for small box. Square units. So I just substitute the value length breadth. So length into breadth. So 15 into 12 plus breadth into height 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15. So now just you have to multiply it. So 2 into 15 into 12, how much? 15 into 12, it should be 180. 15 into 12 is 180 centimeter square plus 12 into 5, it is 60 centimeter square. So 5 into 15 you get 75. Now you have to add this 3 and multiply with it 2. So 180 plus 6240 plus 315 centimeters square. Just you have to multiply with the 2, you get 630 centimeters square. Okay, so now the total surface area of a big box, small box we have. So we need to find a 5% extra. We need to find 5% extra of this both. 5% extra of the both box. So 5% of so now what it should be 2080. So you got it. 5% means it should be written as 5 by 100 into, so now you cancel 0, 10 carbon should be 20.8. So what we have to multiple, so 5 into 20.8. So 20.8, how much it should be? 1040. So you have to put one decimal, it should be 104. So how much area extra? 5%, it is 104. Now cardboard used for one box for each type. TSE of big box and TSE of a small and 5% extra. So TSE of a big 1450 plus TSE of a small box is 630 plus 104. So what is the value we have? I think so 4. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 4 plus 3 which is equal to 1. It should be 2. So 2184 centimeter square. This is the cardboard value. One box. Now we have to find cardboard used for 250 box for each type. We need to multiply with the 250. So 2184 can be multiplied with the 250. So what is the value we got it? So we have to multiply this two. We got 5,46,000 centimeters square. This is for 250 boxes, and cost of cardboard 1000 centimeters square, which is equal to rupees 4. So now cost of 5,46,000 centimeters square. 5,46,000 centimeter square, which is equal to 4 divided by 1000. Why I have to take? We have to take rupees 4 out of 1000. I have to cancel this 30. The value is to be 4 into 546. So now you have to multiple as usual. 24, 4 remaining 2, 4 4s are 16, carry over to 18, 8 remaining 1, 20, 21. So 2184 is the total cost. So cost of cardboard used for both types. So 2184 rupees. So totally